Hello, this is a tutorial from LKS ASE on managing your search results using MEDLINE provided by EBSCO as an example. Search results in EBSCO are managed using a folder. If I click on the folder icon on the top right of the screen, you'll see that it is currently empty. If I go back to the search screen, and we will do a simple search. You can see that the results now appear at the bottom of the screen. If I go to the Share button in the top right of the screen, I can then share all of those results to the folder. If we go back to the folder now, you'll see that it now contains the results I just searched and saved. Now, you have the option to print the results or to email them as a file to yourself or someone else. In addition, you can save the results as a file, and you have the option to, for example, change the citation format or change the information that is exported in the file to suit your purposes. Finally, you can export your results as an RIS file, and this is suitable for importing into a reference manager. Note that you also have the option in all these formats to remove the results from your search folder once you've either exported, emailed, or printed them. Once you've exported your file, you can then import it into a reference manager software such as MEDLINE or Zotero, or if you have it, EndNote. You have the option to register with EBSCO for a personal folder which will link to your Open Athens account. This gives you additional functionality in managing and exporting your search results. There is a separate video called EBSCO Personalization which you can watch that explains how this is done, and there is a link to it in the description of this video below. Contact LKS ASE at library@nwas.nhs.uk.